Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could easily insert two zeros before numbers in Excel. To begin, all what you need to do, locate the column or the cells where you want to add the two zeros. So for example here, that's my case. I'm going to click insert to insert an empty line. And here in C and D, I'm going to insert one zero and another zero. This is actually the easiest way how you can do it. We go back to A, equal, 0, and we're going to select D1 again, and we're going to select this number in B. We're going to hit enter, and we're going to apply it accordingly. So we're going to copy this formatting. We need to add actually the 0 for the other empty. And as you can see, the two zeros has been added. Now, all what you need to do, select this column and paste it again as numbers. And you should be able to see zeros or two zeros at the beginning accordingly. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.